Wall treatment consists of a series of processes. The plasterer will first apply cement mortar onto the wall. Then the putty worker applies the bottom putty and surface putty. After the wall is sanded smooth, workers apply the primer and finish paint to form the final surface. Traditional manual plastering requires the setup of scaffoldings. Only about 50 square meters can be plastered per day. With high hollowing rates, inconsistent straightness, and flatness. However, with WEIBUILD's Plastering Robot's advanced technology, both the quality of wall plastering and the speed of plastering far exceed manual work. Traditional manual putty application has low efficiency, high particle content, and an uneven surface. Manual painting is harmful to health and has low efficiency. Each person can only work on about 600 square meters per day, and difficult to maintain an even spray. The emergence of WEIBUILD's spraying robot perfectly solves the above problems of manual putty scraping and painting, and continues to make progress. The plastering robot monitors the mortar liquid level height in real time, intelligently adjusts the plastering speed to maintain pressure on the wall, eliminates the wall hollowing phenomenon compared to manual plastering. With a laser level, the robot can adjust the plastering thickness based on the thickness difference between the wall and the laser reference surface, automatically adjusts the plastering thickness. The adjustable support feet can automatically level, easily achieve straightness and flatness of 2 millimeters. WEIBUILD's unique leveling technology ensures the clever cooperation of the forming board and scraping plate, and ensures a smooth scraping surface. The robot is capable of working continuously for 24 hours with stable quality. Advanced chassis and IP66 motor protection makes the robot waterproof and anti-mortar. The four-wheel drive design, superior obstacle crossing performance, adapts to various construction site road surfaces. Efficiency is another major advantage of WEIBUILD's plastering robot. 300 square meters of working area per day, surpassing manual labor. The spraying robot automatically adjusts the spray width, controls the thickness distribution at overlapping joints to be even. And on uneven ground, the nozzle remains perpendicular to the wall and maintains a constant distance, ensuring even spraying consistent color. Medical-grade 4-axis robot ensures consistent nozzle movement speed and accurate to the millimeter level. The nozzle, in conjunction with the Cartesian coordinate robot, can flexibly reach every corner of the building, including bay windows, foyers, and roofs. Even the corners can be sprayed evenly. Good appearance and no manual repair is needed, greatly enhancing versatility. The robot can spray 3 columns of walls in one stop. The comprehensive efficiency is far more than 3 times that of manual labor. Payback in half a year. Combined with WEIBUILD's modeling robot and simulation software, subsequent robotic construction will be fast and accurate. The modeling robot can achieve high precision, spatial perception, and stitching for all house types. The simulation software automatically generates robot programs, aids in the navigation and automation of the wall painting series robots, which makes one person can control multiple machines. With simple training, a worker can master the construction methods of the entire series of wall robots. One person replaces multiple traditional different trades such as plastering, putty, and painting. WEIBUILD originated in Shanghai, China, and has a large number of customers on the mainland. In April 2024, we commenced our operations in Hong Kong and Singapore. In November 2024, we started collaborating with clients in Taipei. Japan's project is set to commence in April 2025. In December 2024, we will officially begin an in-depth collaboration with clients from the Middle East.